Ako din. Wala tayo sapat na pagkain.
Hindi nga sa kabulag. Sleep? Sagot? O hindi? Tulog?
Good mo talaga ngayon ako.
Cute.
Mole. Dami mole. Dami. Katawan.
Show my mom.
Ano yan sa installation?
Or here.
Here. I'm yours. Yan din, nag-installation.
Patay. Sa mama.
Oh, boobs mo yan! Boobs mo yan!
Mas baboy ako.
Hindi ka mabuta.
Malaki yan ang tiyan.
Lagi akong sakit. Makeup. Makeup yan.
Ha? Busog? A bit. Konti.
Wait lang. Balikan ko na lang mahugan ng konti.
Okay.
Sarap dito.
Ang sarap dito.
What is niece? Female of nephew? Niece.
Niece is
Female, right?
female.
Is wrong if I say nephew.
Yeah, nephew is a boy. The son of your brother or your sister or siblings or your cousins.
What is siblings? Brother?
Brothers and sisters.
Some.
Both girls and boys.
Not parents, brother.
Just brothers and sisters.
Siblings.
Alas brush na teeth. Excuse me.
Okay. Me too. After you. Ang sarap dito. Always. And then buhay mo.
Nais kong malaman mo.
Always.
Always. Me too, I hear it every time.
Yeah.
Every day, only this, nais kong malaman mo. And I don't know what's coming next. Wala. Only, nais kong malaman mo. You can tell it to Kuya. It means, I want to know. I want to know. Nais kong malaman
Gusto
mo.
kong no.
Yes, gusto kong, I want you to know. I want you to know. Nais kong malaman mo.
Yeah, nice.
Nais kong malaman mo. And I don't know what's the next.
Lahat ng mga...
Fresh.
Lahat ng mga nominate sa Best Inside. Wala na.
She's so excited to me.
Cold. I feel it inside.
Fresh, fresh. She's fresh, fresh. Exciting.
Saturday night. Thank It's so saliva. Like, it flew? No, like, in the tongue. Yeah, almost. So, it's like, nakita ko ulit. Wala. We saw something moves.